Hello, this is Reggie with the Reggiesurbanjungle, and today I'll be doing a quick unboxing video. I purchased a snake from Hilton Head Exotics. And this is a gene I've been trying to get into for a long time. And I was finally able to find one that suffices and I could use soon, hopefully this upcoming season once he gets through quarantine. If I can get the tie open. Alright. It is a recessive. Nice and cool. So if you guys can't tell by looking at it, this is a desert ghost. It is a male desert ghost. He's a little over 500 grams. See if he'll open up for us. But I'm excited to be working with this gene finally get him in my product or in my collection. I've been wanting to get into desert ghosts for a long time. And now I'm finally able to. Depending on how he acts this season, I got a few females already lined up for him. So again, this is a 2018 Desert Ghost male. I got him from Hilton Head Exotics. This is actually the first snake that I've purchased through Morph Market. Transaction went smooth, good customer service. So I'm gonna stop fiddling with this boy, get him in his quarantine rack, let him get adjusted. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. Don't forget, I'm still doing a 750 subscriber t-shirt giveaway. Thank you.